If you don't have your substrates right, you can have a failure. If you don't know how to use the lipid systems, if you don't know how to trowel it, all these things, so many points just for one piece of tile, if you don't do it right, you're probably gonna have a failure.
If you know the right way to do it, you always do it the right way.
And Master Specs has put it in their specifications that there should be qualified contractors, there should be qualified labor, and they should have these ACT programs which prove to any owner or architect that the tile installation that they're going to be putting in is being done by people that know how to do it.
Creating beautiful, enduring tile installations requires highly skilled installers. And when it comes to the tile industry, no one is more knowledgeable, better trained, or more prepared than the ACT-certified BAC tile setter, today's value-added workforce for the future. ACT, Advanced Certifications for Tile Installers. It's the most advanced certification program of its kind.
It's a guarantee to the architects, to the builder, and to even the manufacturers of all the products that are going to be used in that building or house anywhere, that the installer has got the technical knowledge and the craftsmanship to provide a good installation that's going to last for a lifetime. So basically, qualified labor, 100%.
We're using more tile in this country than we've ever used, and it's because people are recognizing that the quality installations and the quality contractors are going to, in the end, give them a better product, a better building for a competitive price.
Together with leading organizations in the tile industry, BAC and IMI helped create ACT in 2012 to guarantee qualified labor and ensure precision installations at the highest level throughout the tile trade. Today, ACT certifications are available in key skill areas, including grouts, large format tile and substrate preparation, membranes, mortar floors, mortar walls, shower receptors, and gauged porcelain tile. Since its inception, ACT has vetted and certified hundreds of professional BAC tile installers, enhancing the expertise and quality of work delivered to owners, contractors, architects, and designers across the country. Currently, the BAC has more ACT certified tile setters than any other industry organization.
It starts right at the beginning. We get a job, a set of plans and specifications. We open up the specifications, and all of a sudden we see, oh, we have to have ACT certifications for large format. They will put that in the specs now. And because of that, that gives us a leg up with the owners, architects, and the GCs, because we can go to them and say, look, we have all these type of people. We have the ACT certified people. We're a Trowel of Excellence contractor.
ACT is so geared into understanding pretty much the prep of what we do, you know, and at the end, the finish when it comes to the large format and the gauge porcelain tile. But the tile installation, again, it's only going to be as good as what we're going over. ACT is totally against failures, and it's all about guaranteeing a qualified labor.
Before they can even begin to pursue ACT certification, BAC tile setters must first obtain Journey Worker status by successfully completing BAC's 4-year apprenticeship training program, which includes over 500 hours of related training at one of the many BAC IMTEF training centers around the country, and over 6,000 hours of on-the-job training. Reaching Journey Worker status as a tile setter is an achievement all on its own, but now, with ACT certification, BAC tile setters are delivering a level of expertise and professionalism unmatched anywhere in the industry.
For me as a contractor, I have men and women that have the skills thanks to their apprenticeship program with the IUBAC. But what the ACT does for them, it gives them a confidence on the job that they sometimes might not have had. They have confidence talking to the contractors, talking to the architects, and talking to the owners.
The ACT is invaluable. It was the best decision I've ever made. It has made me a better tradesman as well as a craftsman with my hands. Having the ability to know the industry as well as perform is worth its weight in gold.
Using ANSI specifications and TCNA recommended installation methods as its foundation, ACT has become the standard testing component that assesses an installer's ability, knowledge, and skill in standards and installation. As highly respected resources like MasterSpec include ACT in their installer qualifications, ACT is quickly growing in demand on job sites across the country.
The industry, we can't have failures. We need to be on top of the game, and we pride ourselves as a union to be in the best hands. Well, we have to have the most knowledge too.
Through written and hands-on testing, BAC tile setters must prove their knowledge of ANSI specifications and TCNA installation methods, as well as demonstrate their expertise in practical installation skills. The hands-on tests are conducted by IMTEF instructors trained to evaluate the ACT installation procedures. The tests are rigorous and must be successfully completed to obtain certification.
We're evaluating, we're testing the skills of the installer. It's very intense, but first they have to take an online test. They got to sit there for, like about 2 hours and basically answer 25 questions that pertain to that test. Now the questions are all based out of TCNA and ANSI and manufacturer specifications.
Because we have ANSI and TCNA, we have the qualified language in TCNA, we have qualified language for the contractor, we have qualified language for the labor, and now because of ACT, our architects and owners can be assured that we have qualified installations for the brand new products that are out there.
It's your job as the trade expert, it's your job to understand how your products are supposed to perform, how to handle them, how to install them. And the ACT, once you get involved with that, when you have to deal with architects and designers, when you can come to them and speak with that kind of knowledge of the industry, they realize your credibility and they listen more. You are just as valuable for your mind as you are with your hands.
Setting the standard and leading the way is always BAC's goal. But today, through ACT certification and BAC's own apprenticeship and upgrade training, the BAC tile setter is prepared more than ever to deliver quality installations, meet industry standards, and provide a competitive advantage on every new project.
It's so good for the architects, the manufacturers of the mortars, the builder, and everybody else to actually have an ACT certified installer doing the work in that building.
You're going to have an educated workforce from top to bottom, and it's going to make them more money in the long run.
It's a win-win situation for everyone.
It's an exciting time for us, and I know it's just going to be even more exciting.